Northern Ireland Fishing Reports.
Hello, and thanks again for joining us here at Northern Ireland Fishing Reports. Before we get into this one, I would like to take the opportunity to thank every single person who hit that subscribe button. We started our channel really just to share off some videos with our little red boat, and since then the support comments have been overwhelming. So again, thanks very much for taking the time to subscribe to us. Due to the situation, we haven't really been doing much with the boat. However, I have been making other fish projects that I will make an upcoming video on for 1,000 subscribers special, so keep an eye out for that. We're working on that now. The footage that we have here that you're about to watch is just old archive footage that we've put together for now. In the 1,000 sub video, we'll be taking any questions that you might have. So if there's anything that you'd like to say to the guys, put it in the comments section below and we'll include this in the next video, and we look forward to reading your comments. So sit back, relax and enjoy the video, and if you're new here, subscribe, hit the like button, and we'll see you in the next video.
Oh, look at him. His name's Stephen. Stephen Seagal.
Steven Seagal.
Do you get it? I get the joke. It's very funny. My channel now. Steven Seagal's taking over the channel. Huh? Some laws don't apply, I don't think. Not now, because we're still like really close to the land. But I'm on about like if you take a certain amount, it's like if you don't have a flag, you're known as a pirate, I think. And if you fly a flag in your boat, it means that you're like international. Your international laws, like your national laws apply internationally as long as you've got the flag in your boat. So if we flew a British flag and we went over like somewhere else, we'd still have British laws.
Mackerel. Fish on! What have we got? Reel, that fish is coming towards you. That means the fish has grabbed it and it's running.
Bring it up.
Oh no, that's what it is. It's your fucking line.
You're cutting
That's
him.
what's happened. Hold on.
You're cutting him.
I can't tell if there's something dragging on my rod or if it's just
Reel up until something's on it.
It's like, yeah.
Feel it bouncing? I don't know.
You know, that's all it is. It's high after 360 feet in that.
See that happens, by the way, Gary? That means that the fish. Ah, shit, that's caught on me.
I'm an idiot. Just reeled up for like literally no reason.
This.
The what?
A dolphin just came up right in front of us.
No way!
Yeah, right there.
Dolphin!
Yes.
Play the music.
What is it? We dolphin.
It's answering its callings.
Keep it like this for them, they'll be up in a second.
Oh,
There it is. Are
No
you
way.
on camera there, Kieran?
Where are they?
There, you need the one.
Oh, there it is! What's that there? Is that number one? There's two of them. You answer your callings, you dirty dolphins.
Where's my phone? So where's my phone?
I don't know.
So, 2 species each then, apart from Josh.
I caught 2.
Oh, you caught 2 fish?
No, 2 species.
Well, what were the 2?
Mackerel and...
Yeah, where's your mackerel?
I chucked it back in.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did.
Why are you lying?
That was the other fish.
Look at me when you're lying.
That was
Exactly.
the other fish.
Exactly. You are a liar. That is the face
I'm
of a
not.
liar.
I caught 2.
No.
Everybody's on 2 species apart from Josh, and he's raging about it, it appears.
No, actually.
Let's see that face. That looks like a fucking raging face to me. That's a fucking raging face right there.
How many fish did you just fucking catch when you were out with your wee mate, wherever you went?
What? Who is you're looking?
2. Fuck, you can catch that in one night here.
Just watching.
I know.
There's Sam coming up on that.
Aye, right.
Jim, put the lid on.
Aye. Now, wee bit of bait. Let's see what we can catch. Yeah, those are here as well. You can get wrasse and all that different. It opens up a wee. You can get dogfish too if you leave them on the bottom. Right. So look, get a piece of it. Right. Bottom hook. You want the shiny bit hanging out like that, right? So put it in like that. Oh, through the skin. Fuck's sake, it's because I'm. Just make sure it's grabbing the skin of it. That one's all fucked up. I got, right?
There's stones underneath there, nice.
We'll go for 3.
Underneath that.
Well, so it's coming close to them, like, but that's alright.
There is stones underneath it. Just watch it dig in. Oh, that's alright.
Right. Let's go for it. See what's what. So this is sort of like bait fishing. You can leave it like sitting closer to the bottom. You know, like sort of lying on the bottom. And then feel for a bite. And you have to usually strike it. Mackerel will jump onto the hook. Something that eats the bait usually doesn't.
Right.
It does too, but not always. So I'm just going to leave that literally a wee ball hair to the bottom. And then watch it for a bit. Fucking mackerel guts everywhere. See if I can catch a dogfish or something here.
Who's cat? What? The big cuckoo. Where?
Something doesn't sound right. That. What was the clicky?
Cacoo Wrasse Pollock. Oh. You get them here. I want to see the colours of them.
Aye, the colours are critter.
Big Cacoo Wrasse.
You get them more over at the other. You do get them here too though. But usually over in deeper waters. It's not full high tide yet anyway. It's just I want to get over there and set up with an anchor. You see, when you see this fishing, I'm about to switch your rod on. You'll be fucking, your arms will be pulled off you.
Yeah,
and you see, fucking right. There'll be so much fish in the boat. It's going to be mayhem.
I go fucking do them all.
You put them all back.
It's going to be mayhem.
Yep.
Unless you want to keep them meat doing.
Oh yes. Go take it to a place where the fishing's going to be mayhem. I mean, as soon as your rod hits the bottom, poof, it's away.
And sometimes it doesn't.
Fuck, it doesn't even hit the bottom. Doesn't even get a chance to go down 2 feet. And it's poof, it's away the fuck. Full of them. Big ones that size. Big fucking chunky, big thick fish with that size.
They're all weight. You see when you cook them. Aye. It's like waiting.
Yours seems to be pretty dead.
Does the white flake fish? Oh yeah, chippy.
I should told him if you go out fishing with Emmons, you have to stay in your house or at your own house for 2 weeks. He was like, what? Get the fuck, he says. He freaked out. And he fell out there and all.
He says if I'm gonna stay.
And then so he texted me and went, I can't fucking go. And I was like, what? You fucking funny. I was like, fuck, I know. He goes, I know, mate. He says, I'll phone you back in a minute. And then they must have had this big raging argument and all. And then eventually he phoned back and says, oh, I tell your dad to pick me up and go.
No, he turned around and said there. He said, if I go to the house, he says, I'm fucking staying there.
He says, that's it. I am fucking staying there. Well.
Somebody's arse is fucking stinking.
It's they use dirty buggers. It's a lot of yous. Is there fucking rank?
Somebody's fucking.
Is there fannies?
Right, we've got our bait. You just want to go and do some proper fishing? Whoa, hang on, you. Whoa. Let me just show you something. The most common injury, like bad injury with you, is what you're doing.
Sticks in your finger.
Do you see? Watch this. Watch. Now I'm gonna do it to show you what you're putting your finger right there. Watch this. Show you something. You see that? That's only from a wee tiny movement there, look. It would lodge into your finger and would come clean out the other side with the pressure that you're putting on there. It's like a wee loaded gun, right? Watch this, show you. See these reels? They run back on their own or whatever. And yes, it can be an accident, but it can happen. See that wee fucking switch there? Now, see when you're doing it? Just bring it reasonably to there. You don't need, see when I do that? It's like fucking loading that up like a whip, right? You don't need to go that far. If you need a wee bit, do that. Pull it down. And flick that. And then, now, you can work away with your bait. Even you can put it in there, like, if you really want, right? Set it on him, look, see right there? And then let you work away there. Just make sure, you know what I mean? Because it's far more, you don't want to have to be fucking pulling fucking hooks out of your finger.
Doing's illegal.
Huh? No, I just don't want to be pulling the hook out of his finger.
With the way I'm sitting.
No, you can stay where you want.
Okay.
You want to drive? Who want to drive? Jump through. Or you can stay there and drive on the next one. Oh, here. Oh, here. That was a big bit of bait. I just got a bite there too.
Did you?
Oh, yes. I've got something. Oh, yes. Look at this guy.
What you got?
I don't know. Something on the bait. Ah, nearly fucking slipped in.
Okay.
Oh, yes. Wouldn't here?
What?
If it was a dogfish, wouldn't that be a cracker call, wouldn't it? Imagine, know what I mean, knowing which fish you're going to catch before you catch it. Wouldn't that be fucking amazing? Wow, what it is too!
Big dogfish. There you are.
Who can't call a fucking fish? See, it's a shark. It's a fucking shark. And it actually is too. Will you show you something?
You hiding?
Oh, I need pliers to get this out. Some of them. Please just be nice. Don't bite me. Don't bite. Oh, yes, sweet. 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 Now, do you know the difference between a fish and a shark? Why is a shark a shark? Huh? A fish has one gill. You see it? The side. A shark has 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Is that a shark then?
That's a shark.
Baby shark?
A baby shark. I say. They're strong wee fuckers.
They're like sandpaper.
Feel its skin. Feel it?
Yeah.
Rough as fuck, right? And they're not too bad. They're docile ones. And when you hold them, you have to like.
Is he dead?
Otherwise, they rub your. Look, see, I'm trying to rub me. Look. See?
No.
Look, see, I'm trying to grab me. And they don't hurt or anything like that. And they won't bite you unless you put your fucking finger in its mouth. And they're, aren't they cool? Hey. Go and touch it. It's not harmful. Look, it's not going to scare you or bite you or anything.
It's a house.
It's like sandpaper. Feel it? Do that. Rub against it like that. Oh,
Fucking I am. Oh, fucking bastard in this one.
there we go. Right.
Oh, you're hooked there up in the top.
That's alright. Don't worry. That's alright. The bottom.
That's the bottom.
Oh, well, that's alright. Well, I can get one bit on it. Alright, hold on. Put this wee guy back here. Right, dude. We go. Look at that. What do you see? Yes.
Look, he hasn't fucking.
Watch. What do you see? And all of a sudden you'll see him kick out. Maybe.
Look, he hasn't had yet. I can't see him.
He just floats. He just sort of sinks down gently.
Oh,
Wasn't that cool? What about that for fishing?
Aye, did you say a dogfish?
Yeah, it is a dogfish. That's what that is. They call it a dogfish. Essentially, it's a small shark. But what a call. What a call. You'd think I fucking knew what I was going to catch before I caught it. What? That's fucking skill right there. Fish like fuck. Who was? Were you sick? Oh, we say sick, Phil. Fuck's sake. Come on now, you're not chucking it. Get them ginger biscuits.
No, just a nobody fucking stop.
You may get the ginger biscuits into you there.
Yeah.
Oh fuck, here he goes.
You getting sick?
Oh, say sick, Phil. Say sick, Phil. Say sick, Phil. Oh, yay! Yay! Oh, for fuck's sake.
Don't you fucking take off yet. I'm passing
Ginger biscuits.
You may get them ginger biscuits into you.
Should we go down?
Get some juice, get some water, and munch a fucking bit.
There's some water in there actually.
Yeah, and get them into you before it gets worse. You want to get them into your stomach and ground you before that. And then be careful, don't sit inside the cabin. Get your rod. Give me your rod up. Don't go in the cabin because it makes it worse. Hang on.
I think it's when it was lying down.
So I'm in the lead then, 3 species. You sure? Yeah. You tried?
I did try, I wouldn't start again.
Couldn't muster any up.
Norse, and yeah, but couldn't start again because everybody was watching me.
Stage fright. Fishing reports. We've got a seasick fellow on board.
Are you videoing that?
Oh my god!
He's chumming up the waters. That'll bring the fish in.
Oh!
Give him some to eat. I'm not fucking touching my backpack.
Oh my god.
Suck it up, bear boy. Suck it up.
What was that?
What are you at?
The gingerbread didn't help, did it?
You didn't eat enough ginger biscuits. What's the problem? Oh, for fuck's sake.
What you ate last night? Did he have a big smoker, did he?
No, he hadn't even.
That's gross.
You chum up the waters, did you?
Sore as fuck.
Sore as fuck.
Sorry, I can't even lose and everything.
Oh, lovely. Nose sick. Oh, for fuck. Here it comes, here it comes. Look at all that up and down and all. Watch that rope there, look. It goes up and it goes down. Goes up. You alright?
Leave it.
Oh.
Maybe lying down or something else.
Oh my goodness. It's. Here, that's good fusions, chumming up them waters back there.
You want to fry?
He's catching any fish, by the way.
My
I
dad
got
another.
North sick.
He got another full back.
Well, they're down there. I think we've got dragged though.
We are, because my fucking our lanes are...
I need to wait to see us. I mean, slack water will come. It's coming soon. We keep getting spun around.
But, yeah.
Slack water's coming.
Keep my fucking... At least I'll get my arm, but I strengthen my arms from the wanking.
I fucking mean, you mean you're a fit cracker fisherman because of the wanking? Bet you can keep that up all day.
I'm fucking dead, I'm just like, you know, being at home and laying on the bed, just like fucking holding it.
Aye.
Home from home.
It's just the only difference is EastEnders isn't on the TV.
Aye, very pop butcher. Oh yeah.
Big pat. Them big earrings.
Yeah.
The fucking hernia. What?
Fuck shades all that beer.
No! I have a big hernia just here.
I'm the same thing as you.
No, you haven't. Your dick's smaller.
Took years of neglect to get a body like that.
Okay.
Look at that six pack.
Aye. Okay.
Look at the fucking bra.
Huh? Class. I know why I don't feel their dirties more often.
I'll give you the set, you'd sit there and play with them all day.
Hey, but you're the gay to play with them, don't they?
Fuck that. I would just fucking you just like your fingers and who they got there.
Like a couple of wet cigar
Yeah,
butts.
That one at the tongue.
Sit in your hand, he goes numb, feels like somebody else. It's called the stranger. Here, hold that.
Anything to do with paradise?
There's only M weights up there, guy. Can you reach that pink bucket?
Fuck all happened here.
I need to move us back up and hook the anchor in properly. We're nearly there. It's because I fucked up with the rope that was stuck.
Yeah, I got one of them. Put that wee bit in the back. There's a wee weight there. I got out of one of
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. There's a few weights in there too.
Alright, we've got another wee box in there too. A couple of other spurs.
I'm going to read that. I'm going to get the price.
Oh, your dick right there.
Hey, look at that! Only fucking
You weren't
double
even
beer, man, eh?
You weren't even down.
No. I don't want to go too far because it's going away.
Here, you sticking that boat, you're cleaning it. Right, Gary, by the way, here, look.
What?
See you're putting your weight on. Take your hoop, pass the whole thing through.
Right.
Right, look, and then wrap it under your weight. That means you don't need to tie it, look.
Oh, right, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sorted. Oh.
Right, that's yours. Back on action there, Dad.
Okay.
Kieran, give us out your wee coloured thing. Will I give you your wee feathers? And I need another weight there.
Right. How did you get that the reverse?
There. If you press that, it goes down, but you're stuck around the top because you're rudder on it.
Right.
Look, see like that?
Right.
You can even do that.
I don't want to go down, but I'm not going for a fish.
Oh, that's right. No, leave it there. That's it. Right, put it in there.
No, you just want to go for a pee.
That's right. Stick in your rod holder there.
But stick your dick in your holder.
You got fish? I see they're here.
No, stuck.
Ah,
Stuck. You're stuck in that there.
ah,
eh?
fuck's sake.
No,
Hold on. Right, just wait a minute. Fuck's sake, you're only in. Hang on, give us a minute. See, I can't get past because your seat's way more down this way than usual. No, you made it worse there. Go back. I need you to go back
Right.
so that I can get my leg through there. No, lost it.
They lost again. I don't worry about me now.
Oh, hang on, I've got other ones. I've got other ones to set up first. Hold on.
How many fucking lures have I?
There's a few there. We've got enough. It happens.
I'll make she ordered 10.
You'll go through them in a day.
Fucking 10 out for 10.
Aye, that's us.
Hi.
You gotta go to the shop, the tackle shop. They're like £2 each, £2.50 each.
$9.89, but they're mixed.
Do you get the wee purple ones?
I know, it just says mixed.
Alright.
I make their own.
Right, Kieran, here's your rod.
And then fucking Sam, he makes them better. What way does Sam make it, you know?
Same way.
I won't be out making them for a pound. Okay.
Oh, I can make the feathers as well, like.
Well, they keep turning and chicken. Every time we go out, between turning and paying for the wood, and then fucking paying for weight. It's your fucking job, isn't it? I know, but the time you wrap your fucking line around them, no. That's just fucking funny. You haven't got patience. That's fucking wrong.
Right, Kieran, yours is on there, right? Yours is in the water.
Can you make them put bigger flowers on away?
Okay.
Not the flowers.
That one's ready. Right, I need another.
You can get big flowers you want. You can buy big flowers you want.
I can get bigger ones. Different colours, etc. Right, let's see what's actually below us here.
What is their number?
Just waiting on it scanning now. Oh, you've got a fish, have you? You do alright. Right, so pull up and reel down, and then reel to it. Right, take the slack off, see? Right, and then up, and then reel down. That's it, pull up. And you get a fish. That's it, pull. Good lad. Pull. Keep going, pull up and reel down to it. Pull up and then reel to it. That's it. So pull up, watch, stop reeling. So look, watch this show you. Oh yeah, you've got a load of them. Oh yeah, they're a big pollock, actually. They're not coolies.
You them?
What, them?
We see these here. Pollock?
That was catching?
No, they're different. No, they're pollock, different colour.
Different colour.
Look at the size of that one, that there. You can eat that one there. Look at that one.
What?
You can eat that one.
That's what they charge you for in Tesco's.
Alright. Good lad, so you had 3.
Oh, you're right.
Good lad. Now, watch this show you something, right?
I'm sorry.
No, alright, make it easier for you, right? See when you get to the bottom, right? See when you get a fish on? No, just hit the bottom. There. Right, so when you get a fish, right? Right, pull up and don't reel, and then reel down.
It actually is quite hard.
And pull up
It's actually kind of hard.
and reel down. Oh, but it's not, it's because you're stopping. You're trying to reel and reel and reel and reel. Don't pull up and reel down. Pull up and then reel down. Look out there. Oh, there's a fish too, look. Pull up and reel down. Pull up, look, and reel down. Yeah, there's a fish on there. So pull up. It's a good one, pull up. Up, 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 pull up. Go, up, up, and then reel down. Go, reel to it. Reel down. Pull up, pull up. Now look, and reel down to it. Reel down. Pull up, and then reel down. That's better. Pull up. There's a couple. What'd you get?
What do you get?
Couple of coolies. A nice big one there too. Oh, you've got one with a tail. Oh, 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 oh.
Was that your catch?
Yeah, you've got 3 decent ones there. Look. You want to hold it?
No.
Put it back in.
Oh, that's a rod, that's a rod. That go.
Don't you let that go.
Take a fish away, you fuck's sake, the rod will be away.
I've got a fish here. Hold on, I'm dealing with this one.
Control, there's not much flow now.
It's going to start to calm down now.
Use fish.
Kick it back in the water. Throw it back in. It's only a cold fish.
You think it's alive? And I
Yes, it's alive.
on it.
Well, the longer you leave it there, it's going to die.
You watch how we program.
It's going to die to leave it there.
No.
Yeah.
No.
We are on
Life depends on me
and
now.
Watch.
Armadillo.
Oh, watch. Relax, relax. It's not hurt you. What are you scared of it for?
Christ.
Look, touch it.
No.
Go touch it. Look. It's not like the other one.
Oh my.
It's not like the other one. It's nice and.
Yeah.
Yeah,
No,
touching these.
Go, touch it.
Oh, fuck, look at that. He is.
I'm holding it. Go on.
I tell you. He's
That's sorry, it did not harm you.
Oh my.
You should go on the
It's only a fish. Look,
It's disgusting.
it's not disgusting. Anything
Oh,
when
you recorded that, didn't you?
you're funny.
Oh no.
season before that.
We'll see you catch another one.
That's my worst fear.
Here, there's another one.
You're
Asians can fish fuck all. They're like fucking right beside the boat.
There's only for fucking rods in there now.
Pull up, reel down. That's it. Oh, here what? Sandals or lances? Gives them.
I'm not touching them.
They're a good bait.
I'm not.
That's good.
Oh, did you get cut there now?
No, it's my own fault.
Here, look at these, Gary.
What is it?
Lance, as you call them. Wee mini eels. They're good bait though.
Why the fuck?
They're good pike bait. We'll be keeping them. Oh.
Joe, you're
Right.
not on YouTube, by the way.
Oh, untangle that.
You in the one? No, I'm on the bottom just.
Oh, me
Did
bastard.
Sean take your ones away?
No, I've got them in the freezer for pike bait.
Right. You put the whole lot on the pig, do you?
Yep. Yep. I forgot to bring them the other day. Or you got it? Let's see. That's it. So you just unhook it there. Unhook it there.
I got something. You got something? Something's cooking in the kitchen.
Right, there you go. You got something? All right. Oh, aye. What's that, big wrasse?
That's a wrasse.
Yeah, that's a nice big wrasse.
That's a cuckoo.
No, it's a Ballon Wrasse.
Fuck!
Now,
Look,
these
go
have
for
wee
a swim.
spikes all over them.
They are.
Pretty
That's the
tough
best-
skin.
That's the best
That's the fish of the day.
fish of the day.
Look, that's a big wrasse. We see teeth on it.
Lovely fish.
Look at the teeth on that fucker.
Oh, fuck that. Do you need them?
It's gonna smell like garlic. Look. Like that there.
Aye.
That's a nice catch.
McJagger.
That means there's rocks down there. We're in the
Wait a
right
minute.
spot. It's a nice fish, load of colours. His tail.
Yep.
You can get multicoloured ones. They're really spiky.
I was going to say that.
Right.
That's lovely. Yeah.
That's a cracker fish. Well
I'll
done.
take a photo of it.
Yeah, it's on video here.
What was it? Sorry.
you get it on video,
Have you put it back?
Just double check.
Oh,
that it's on.
Put a
Yep, we're cooking. It's on. Okay, we're not going to eat it.
No,
Put it
that's
back.
alright. I don't think somebody's going to eat it.
Yeah, very good. Well, we'll put it back. See ya. Catch you next time. Right, now don't go as soon as you hit the bottom because there's weeds and shit. Just stay about. That's you. Reel in, reel in. That's it. Just reel up. Now a couple. Just. That's you. Now jig about there. Shouldn't take too long. Starting to calm now. I could maybe. Well, let's see what's under us.
Hold it up a bit.
Not a lot. We could maybe go a bit forward. I think we're just off it. I could maybe drive it forward or pull us even with the anchor, and then I'd need to start us and get us into position and drop it again.
You want us to reel up here?
Could do. Right, yeah, reel up. Take me a minute here just to get us into a better position. We're nearly there, like we're just off it.
That was a good catch here, so.
Yeah, that was a good fish. Fish of the day.
Fish of the day.
That's you on your other species as well.
Me?
You've got them too, yeah.
And I've got 3 species.
Yeah, Gary's got 4. Yeah, you've got 4 too. Huh? What's wrong? You're hungry?
Yeah.
We're gonna get our lunch soon. No, we're moving because I pulled the anchor. And I had to break it to get it back. Means I need to put another brake line on it.
It's the fish.
You know how I'm hitting.
Oh.
It's the way it jumps today.
They'll not harm you though.
Go away! Not a fucking put of water and shake that he's in there.
Here, you fuck up.
Hey! He's talking about you. Fuck's sake, by the time you get that in, we could have had a big 10 stick.
I had to make a wee brake line. I had to make a brake line so I could get my fucking anchor back.
How do you break it? Yo, can I come back to water away?
What?
See them wee fucking
Yeah.
eating ones? I bring them home for a fish tank of mine though. Oh, put them in, you know when it gets fucking water on. You think so?
Plenty of fucking water there. You want to take some?
Yo.
Can you not use that tank of water, that water in yours? No.
No.
Sterilize it? No.
No.
I know fucking water you're using. What water are you using?
RO. It's called reverse osmosis
And where are
water.
you getting that from?
I've got a machine in the house that makes it.
And you can start fishing, mate, or fishing.
Put fish in it, yeah. Watch, need to be quick. Watch your feet, Kieran.
Is that all we're moving to?
Yep, that's it. Just need to hit that reef,
Oh, I thought we were going over that.
which I've just hit, which is good.
I thought we were going to the lighthouse.
Well, I'm not going to the lighthouse just yet.
Are we alright to go in here?
Hang on 1 second, just to tie up here and let the boat swing. 1 second.
disappointing.
Right, hold on, let's see where we are now.
Do we move?
Oh, I can get round using the minute. Right, let us see.
Out by the jet skis.
Right, try that and see what's under us here. About 25 feet, we should be on the corner of the reef, not right on it, so it shouldn't be too bad for your tackle. Yeah, so just rock it to the bottom until you hit something, or just slowly let it down, the fish maybe grab it before it gets to the bottom.
Yeah,
Are they on? They're there. There you go, that's nice. Yep. Right, put his rod down then. Let his rod go. Right, when you get that jump again, reel up it. Now let it sit down there for a wee minute. Let it go down and wait a wee minute. Put a couple of bits of bait on maybe. Has the bait gone? Have we still got a bit of bait?
there's bait there.
Give us a wee bit up there.
What bait?
Yeah.
Money.
2. 2 or 3. Back fucker.
What?
Just snapped.
Yours did?
Yep.
The snout?
Yep.
Are you on the bottom, huh?
Bastard. I can see you're laying down the sonar there. What do you get? A couple of Pollock, decent sized ones too.
Yep.
Give some more.
Right.
That's good sized Pollock.
Uh-huh.
You want to keep them or put them back?
Oh, keep them out there. Bring a few home.
Are you sure?
Aye.
Right, open your bucket there.
They're good size.
Yeah. Ow.
Do you for dinner some night then, though?
Huh?
How do you for dinner some night?
Go ahead. Rock and roll. That wee shoal's past us there.
Oh.
That's right, keep it. Just fish on. We'll end up in the spot. That's a good bend there. That's you, rock and roll. Rock and rolling. Oh, there we are, we're on them now. Yep, me as well actually. Is me sort your own fish. Here, Kieran. Here.
Oh! Look,
Oh, another Wrasse.
that's a big one.
Another one of them, that's the last one.
Oh, you got it in the eye too.
Did I?
Alright, fuck. Well, that's the two-bath. Look, another Wrasse. They're cracker, aren't they?
Look this.
Are we caught?
Hang on.
Yeah.
Hang on, stay there. Don't be move. It's only with one hook. There you go. Another Pollock. Put that one back. Oh, right. Straight to the bottom. That's it. Let it go, 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 let it go. And boom, flick it over, give it 2 reels, 1, 2, that's it, hold it there. Right, you just hold it and jig it about there. We're coming over, we're still good, we're still good. What's going on? Here, watch, that's you.
Yes.
Go ahead, go again. Reel up.
You want some?
Yep, we're in them now. Kieran got 1, 2. Yo, very good, son. Very good. Hunter gatherer. Look, just think in the apocalypse, you would not be starving. That's it, reel away, reel up, reel up, reel up, reel up, reel up, reel up. That's you. Carry on another one, no. Good lad.
I think he would be starving next year. He can cook him.
Oh, there it is, Kieran, well done.
What is
Look at that for a fucking fish. One of the, here, get that, get over here. Beautiful, look at the colours in that.
What is it?
It's called a Cacoo Wrasse.
Cacoo Wrasse.
Oh, aye, that's the one you were going to cook on it.
Did we talk about that recently?
Yep. One of the most beautiful fish in our seas.
Yo, I got another point for that, don't I? Because it's a
Okay,
big species.
look.
There's definitely fish of the day. I'll get that and don't worry there. Look at that, Kieran. Oh yeah, look at that. That's cracker, isn't it?
Rare colour.
Look at the colours in that. Isn't that beautiful?
What about the LY rod?
I will sort that in a minute. Look at that though, isn't that look at the teeth. It's got teeth like Gareth. Josh, look at that for a fish Kieran caught.
You get me?
Look at that.
Well looking.
Isn't it cracker? Look at that, beautiful. That's in the tank, I know. That's cracker. Oh no.
Is he dead?
Just sometimes takes them a bit to come round.
That's more one. That's a big one.
Alright, he's away now. Alright, that's a pollock. Oh.
Nope.
You can eat them.
That's it.
I tell you what, I want.
Oh,
I had some crack when you get 6 of them on it, like.
Yeah.
Go ahead, son, well done. That's fish of the day now. Overtook.
Well, I've got like 5 species now.
Yeah. That's another species, yeah. Oh, stop. I knew it was going to happen there. That's sorry, it's him with his loose line. Oh shit, there's a big fish on too. Fuck. Here. Oh shit, here, that's a big fish, whatever that is.
The rod messed up.
Whatever that is big, whatever this is good. Oh yes, big pollock. Big one.
yeah. It's a fucking pack.
Sure. Nah, that's a good eating one there.
Oh, well.
There's, look at that. Biggest one of the day. Guy.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Fucking hell. That's course size.
Throw it in there and take one in.
Oh, it's dead. They're right dead. What's the fucking point in that? That's a good sized eating one there.
No more. No more.
It's medium size. Put that one back.
Right. I'll take maybe take a couple of them for a day.
You want to take a couple on?
Right, guys. Pick this here.
Shoot drop.
Oh. There you are. Right.
I'll put them and then give them their day.
There you go. Very good.
Ian again?
Yeah.
We're right on them now. We're on them now. Right in our mark. Right exactly where I wanted to be the first time.
No.
Oh. Fuck. There must be more than one or else there's a big jump. I want again too.
Oh, smell your ring. I told you it's that smelly fuckers. It's constant. No smell a hut with him. It's fucking whiffing out of a hut too. Oh, here, another big pollock. There's 2 big ones if you wanted to keep them.
No.
He said he wanted one for. Oh no, that's a collie.
Aye, for a day.
That's a pollock.
You know the best thing to do is give him the ring and fill it.
I know I'll have to follow up for him. He can't do it.
That's a pollock. Here, keep that one.
Right,
That one's a collie.
Aye, he can't follow them. These are serious and it's fucking yeah, I used to give him the fish though when I caught them in the dam. And he says, don't give me any more if I can't cut them.
You not sell them?
Hey?
You not sell the fish?
No, it'd be cool if you could though, wouldn't it?
What's that for?
Give it a wee reel. That'll do it. Right, there's loads of fish underneath us. We're right on our wee mark.
I'm on.
Well, I think I should chuck the anchor out here.
I'm fucking on.
Right, I'm gonna do the anchor out. Josh! Ah, it doesn't matter. No, I'm putting the anchor down.
What's that? That's nothing. Yo.
Oh, aye, we cool, eh? Hang on.
You must have floated around.
Good lad, you're doing well.
I have a fucking bone on it. Look.
Told you I'd get you the spot, yo. Yeah, big sir, hold on there, coming out.
Oh my god, look at the size of that.
Oh, aye, it's a decent big pollock. Yeah, that's a big pollock. Right, hold on, Gary. Keep it, get them into the boat just now and I'll sort them.
Right. You've only caught one species.
Look at the size of that one.
That's a big pollock, you keep at him. You can take him that one.
Some fish break your rod.
Yes, some big fish could break your rod.
Yeah, that was fucking hard work.
That's fishing, isn't it? That's good fishing, aye. Told you. Fucking boys would find the spot.
Oh, you bastard.
They're fishing beside the fucking sea.
I don't see them as pulling up any, do you?
Good crackers, yeah.
As long as you get these bullets and put them,
Oh, hold on, Karen. Fuck, you've got a load of them there too. Hold on.
put the heads off and throw them back in.
Right there, you're away.
Just keep, don't fill them. You know what I mean?
The alright ones.
Yep, they're decent sized ones as well.
You know what I mean?
You got got so many fish compared to Josh.
Yeah, you've done really well. You've got loads of them.
5 species. So half is
Yeah,
5 species.
you're drawing with Gary.
What I got thrown away.
Josh has one more than.
Just wait for that big ones, eh?
Yeah, that's it. Aye, if you've got a big one, then that's the that's.
Got a big massive one.
Aye, that's good.
Well, that's
You getting it?
I got fish of the day.
That's you. Yep, you've got fish of the day, and you're drawing with Gary with species so far. Dad, you need an odd species, either a wrasse or something odd to come into.
What about it?
Oh, you away again.
What about
Good lad.
Oh,
Oh, here, there's hundreds of fish underneath this.
yeah, if you have a big one.
There's hundreds under us. I've anchored up to right in the right spot here. But this only lasts for a certain length of time till the tide changes, and then we'll get pushed off it. The water gets too. That's it. We're hitting them flat out now. They're not fucking catching any, I've noticed. And the sea
There's
lad.
one on it now.
They're not catching there, are they?
There's one on it.
That's the first I've seen them catch there now. Hundreds of them halfway down. You don't even know to go to the bottom. Just let your rod slowly sink down halfway. They'll hit it before they even hit the bottom. No, it's a collie. You're trying to make up fucking species your own now.
The black collie.
So you may as well.
The one I call was definitely a different species. Wasn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, he's missed. He's got one.
Oh, good lad. Oh, here, that's good. Pull up, pull up. Oh, were you stuck in the bottom, maybe? Oh, maybe you were stuck. That's alright, put it back down. It's all good. Right, I can see someone's line going up and down. You're just above them. Gary, go down another couple of feet and you'll be right into them. About, you are. See the way I knew that? I could see your line under the water, you see? I know how to read that thing that well. Oh,
you bastard! You're a fucking dirty rat.
They're still there.
Josh can fish on.
You're just above them, and now, right there.
You dad.
A wee inch lower, with another foot or two. What?
Can Josh fish none?
He can fish none. C6 Steve.
You're trying to fucking fish you feel away.
I know.
You, another one. That's alright. You get that, yeah? Can you get it?
Aye, yeah.
There, cause that. Got it? Yep, go ahead. That's it.
No.
It's nice and clear.
That's it. Now reverse it.
See your line
That's
down
the one. Oh. Oh, you can see it right way down there. About a good 20 feet.
there. Aye. There's me.
Okay, tighten it up a wee bit. Tighten up, tighten up. Yep, that's you. Oh, that's a good looking one there, whatever that is. Where is it?
That's underneath.
Here, hold on. Where'd it go? Ah, that's alright, I see it, I see it, I see it. Oh, fuck. It's nearly away here.
They're coming over the ground.
Ah, well, I'm anchored up, you see. Alright, that's running, it's away over that way. Right, lift it up, lift it up. Up and in, up and in.
Oh,
Sit.
you bastard, you splashed the fucking out of me.
Oh, hang on, Kieran, you're stuck in the bottom. Here.
Oh, you it's fucking freezing.
Oh, we lost it. Right, reel up. We'll put a new one on. I'll get the new one.
Yeah, Kate, you should fucking go out and tours.
Take people to do this? Charge people?
Tours are tours. No tours, but tours.
I'm telling you, people have said that to me. Here, I've come more in your fucking boat than I've go out in them punches that you pay the fucking fortune for.
Tours, but
Oh, that's you. Yep, you're awake. You're right in the middle of them there. Oh. If you think it come off, drop it back down. Oh, look at them stealing our swim, but I'm anchored, you see, boys. See, this makes stay the fuck out of my way. I'll fucking fur dig them. They're supposed to keep a certain distance. I'm anchored. I've claimed the spot. I'll not be drifting.
No, just overtaken.
You've done well. Do you like it?
It's alright.
Oh, I admit it, you do like it, it's good fun. Out in the boat and all, driving it, and being out here. It's cracker, isn't it?
Alright.
I'll teach you how to fish and how to run the boat. There's another wee weight up there, guy, and that pink bucket in front of you. Or just gives the whole bucket over even, whatever. Alright. What have we got her for? That'll do. Oh, away again. Rock and roll. We're on the spot now, boys. I just had to wait the slack water now to get it right.
Ah, you fucking bastard, I lost it.
No, you're stuck on the boat. Watch, guys, that. Let go, let go. At least you're not scared to touch your fish. No one actually unhook it. Loads of them will bring out. That's it. Reverse, opposite way, opposite direction. That's you. And then that's it. Yeah, a lot of the fucking people are scared to touch the fucking fish.
One moment.
And so somebody might message, who's that sexy beast on the left?
Can't see it happening like that.
No, I'll let you know if it does.
Sam mirror like
Yeah, I said, yeah.
That many wavelengths. You want to go in there?
Wait, who's that fat dude on the left
You know
there?
what they call it? Fish. Not one for her. Get a woman.
What do you call fish with no eyes?
Oh,
Psh.
blind.
Just a psh.
Ah, fucking lost it.
Alright, put it back down. Just drop it back down if it's still let go. Yep, they're still there. Go back down, there's fucking hundreds of them. You were just above them there actually. One must have come up and had a go. Yep, there's a couple that are coming up after them now. There's about 6 or 7 fish just come right up off the bottom chasing something there. Let it go right down.
Are they pushing their swim?
They're trying to, but I'm anchored.
Did he fall?
I'm right smack on my wee boy. You know the wee marker on my... I've marked this spot, this very spot before. Well, Northern Ireland fishing reports, we've got halfway through the day. We've caught a right few bits and pieces. A few wrasse, coalies, pollock, mackerel. The fish of the day was definitely the Cacoo Wrasse. Cracker colours, brilliant. So we're halfway through the day, we've had our lunch. And we're going to go to the lighthouses next. And do a wee bit of tripping about in the boat.
C60.
C60. C60.
Yo, where's our phone just for my reassurance?
We going on the lighthouse?
Yeah.
C60.
We're going to take C60 out into deeper waters.
Josh, you excited?
Huh?
We dick.
Fucking stinker.
You're looking at my dick. You want to see that?
My dick away. Look here, you're pissing in the boat.
Fucking short circuit, you're getting it wet, you're pissed on your hat.
Ah, fuck you.
You're
That's
pissed on
fucking-
your hat, look.
Fucking shooting and going there.
That's fucking, what's shocking? It's me salt water.
No.
Fucking. Oh fuck. It's for self-defense against that fucking smelly bastards, what that is.
Smell your fucking ring. Oh, I can't. I'm standing behind you.
Me too.
You fucking dirtbag. Aye. Yeah, I remember the day I get on the boat and he said, hey you, see I'm fucking meters. He goes, I fucking give you 20 quid for him, you bastard. And he goes, what do you want to do? Give you a tenner fucking back? He goes, I do actually. I want a fuck. He says,
There's a fucking hole
I
on
fucking bought faulty waiters. And Tony was like, you want a tenner? He goes, aye. He goes, well, you're not fucking getting stroked that way, you fucking actor, you fucking baldy bastard. And the two of them were slobbering like fuck about these set of waiters all day. And then when Gareth had to put them on at the end of the day, and they filled up with water, Tony laughed his fucking head off. See when we get Tony and Gareth together on the boat, oh fuck me, it never stops. It just continuously fucking winding each other up. It's like
close out these things.
It's like my fish is bigger than your fucking fish.
Tap. When you're gonna close it, now turn it.
Isn't it? No matter what the fuck, slobbering bastard.
Do you want some?
Right, but close it when you're turning it.
Right, car keys.
Close it, that's it.
I've got.
Oh no.
Boat keys are there. Are you getting winning? Good lad. Well done. Kiwi mackerels.
You got it?
3 breeds.
Oh well, at least he caught a fish last down depths. Last down seconds. Here we are. There's our bucket of fucking spoils. Watch out.
No, I didn't get it. I don't know how it closes. Or it does it closes down and turns.
Nah. How many of them infusions are taking all the pollock and shit, eh? It just leaves mackerel. Give as many away at the pier as you can.
I'll just give whatever's in there, give it away.
Right. Try and give them away. I've got some in the freezer and shit. Gary.
Yes.
What you should do, if you haven't.
They're gutted now.
No, see the mackerels? If you go pike fishing, do you ever go pike fishing? Or is it just trout fishing?
Well, so far it's just trout.
Aye. Well, if you're ever going to go pike, see them there.
That's
Keep them for bait.
Pull that up.
They're fucking the business for bait.
Oh, I know.
Right. Keep that rod there. What?
I think it would be more rewarding catching a pike.
Oh well, it is. Catching pike's better because it's a hunt. I mean, it's slow. You're not ever guaranteed to even catch one. Never mind fucking. Remember the day we caught like fucking 30?
Oh, 30 pike?
Yeah.
Pike?
Pike. They were just on that day, weren't they? They were eating everything. Thanks very much for watching our wee video. If this is your first time watching us, hit that thumbs up, subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.